You guys want it so bad. This is the truck that I drew.
Just turn the camera on.
Okay, guys, follow my TikTok page, and comment, share, and like. Now subscribe too. Bye, guys.